Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, he once explained at length to Sahaba Ikram radhiyallahu ajma'in as to the benefits of Ramadan, and he said that in the month of Ramadan there is a night where Jibreel alayhi salam along with the forces of angels, they descend down, and it's a long hadith, but the summary of it is that the angels go and they meet people and they give them, they say Ameen to the du'as that those people are making, and they give them glad tidings of forgiveness, and they, their statuses are elevated, their spiritual strength is fortified, all of those things take place. And then in the end, when it is Fajr time, the angels gather back, and then the last part of this hadith, Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam says that all of that greatness that happens to the Sahaba, to the people who benefit from that night of Ramadan, there are 4 people who are deprived of it. There are 4 people who are deprived from it. So the Sahaba Ikram were very keen to know that who are those 4 people who are deprived from such a blessed night. Rasulullah Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam said that the 4 people who are deprived from it is, number 1 is a person who is addicted to alcohol. Number 2 is a person who is disobedient to his parents. Number 3 is a person who has cut his family ties. And number 4 is a person who has malice or grudge in his heart. Kina ya boz. So these 4 things, they are all to do with our inner state. Nobody from looking at your state, there hardly anything physical with this. This is a lot to do with the inner state. And hence why today I want to focus on, after talking about the outward sense, I want to talk about the inward sense.